Hello Ramblers, IP Killbilly here. And at Whaley Bridge Memorial Park, don't worry, I'm a boy, we're walking around through there on the little trails that I've done. We're here to check out River Goyt on the Sunday morning, the 18th February, and after it's been pissing it down for a few days, most of the week, to say sorry. See the state of it, and it's high up. Proper flooding there. Well, it's not flooding, but it's straight up over banking. Sunday walker there with pan lid in front carrier. Sorry for the shaking. So yeah, looking rather full and rushing. So let's see what it's like. Don't worry, we're going near to the river. Sorry to shakers and hakers. I have charged up the gimbal. Zoom in for a bit of dogging. Bit of black lab. Labrador Border Collie cross. And we're running across. There we go. Yeah. Labrador Border Collie cross black. Like my son is a hound pooch. Pooch here. Here we are. Careful where I'm. I mean, it's rather spongy. But here we are. It wouldn't come up there, that's Fedget Bridge. Hey up. Alright. He come nosying at me. Hey boy. Ooh. Oh. Out on your walk. Right. Your hound, more water. So yeah, it's proper come up here. See, this is a bit of a bay. Oh yeah. Going to be on film. And yeah, it's proper raging. I'll leave it at that and catch up further up. And we're back, and look, you see how it's raging here. The river going up around this oak tree. There's a stump where they've had to cut one path, but yeah, I mean, this is four times the size of what it usually is. And how fast it's running. But just that there is giving you an indication of all the rain we've had this week. The part where the River Goyt's joined by another little river that comes from Coombs and goes through Chapel Milton, Tunstead Milton. So I'll catch up with you there, Ramblers. Hello, we're back. And here you can see where it is, where I mean. How flooded that is. I've zoomed in. I'll zoom back out, and that comes from Coombs. So it's just really off the hook. I saw down near the co-op how raging it was. So I thought I'll come and see what it's like in Whaley Memorial Park. So I should know what that river's called, but I'm sorry I don't. If you do know, leave me, tell me in the comments. Leave a comment on how I'm doing. Are you liking it? Subscribe. Here you can see it's going through someone's garden. Going through the shaky hakey wakey. Well, it's coming out of someone's garden. Well, it's overflowing now. It's got some sandbags. See, but that's not going through that little arch. And going there, he is flooded. And yes. Glad it's not raining today. Hopefully it doesn't rain and it calms down a bit. Oh, this has come from Goyt Valley, from Ferny Lee and Irwood and beyond in Cheshire, from Derbyshire Bridge. So that's it, we've hit the 5-minute marker. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment. It is your High Peak Hillbilly Rub in Whaley Bridge Memorial Park in the High Peaks, showing you the level of the River Goyt as it goes through Whaley Bridge. And you can see by that, it's raging quite a bit. It can fill up a bit more, but as long as we don't get rain, we should be all right. So take care, ramblers, stay safe. Adios, rub out.